The first thing you're going to want to do is to modify your printing range so that it only prints pages 1 to 4. Page 5 is the answer key, and we don't need to print that. Next, decide how many copies you need. For example, I have 120 students, and between version A and B, that's 8 copies. 120 divided by 8 is going to give me 15. I also want to make sure I'm printing this double-sided. Under Layout, verify that two-sided printing is on and that it is set to flip on the long edge. Last but not least, go to paper handling and make sure your settings are set to collated. You want the pages to print alternating one behind the other. That way when you cut them, they're one behind the other, and you can easily hand out version A and version B to your kids. Now go ahead and press print. If you printed everything correctly, the pages should be in order, one behind the other. Keep them together like that. And I like to use a cutting board just so it's faster and neater. So after I cut them straight down the middle, I push them back together, and then I cut them again going across. It doesn't matter if you do horizontally or vertically first, it will wind up the same. And that's it. You have your exit tickets. They're alternating version A, version B, one behind the other, and the kids shouldn't know which one they have, and that will minimize cheating in your classroom.